How to create short YouTube shorts from long videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to BB. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create shorts in YouTube from long videos. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in. Then first you'll need to head over to your YouTube studios. To do that, tap on your profile icon on the top right. Then you'll find YouTube Studio right here. Tap on that. After you're on your YouTube Studio, you will then need to head over to your content. So to head over there, tap on the content option on the left sidebar. After you press on it, you will need to choose a video. Choose a long video. So this is the long one I have. Then just scroll down until you see show more. Tap on show more. After you do that, scroll more again until you see an option that says shorts remixing or shorts sampling. Either one of those should be fine. Just make sure that you toggle on this allow video and audio remixing. After you do that, you can then tap on save and tap on next right here. Let me just choose this. Then finally, just go through with all the process, and then when you post your video, you can then start cutting it in parts and then uploading it as shorts yourself, and that won't bring out any copyright issues. And yeah, you can reuse that multiple times by remixing your audio and video. Now you will have to do that all manually using video editing software such as CapCut, and just simply come ahead and post it like you normally do. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.